Okay. So in our application, okay. So in our advanced classes we have, right? So here adapter class we have. We will see, guys. After interface, we will see adapter class. Adapter class contains what? Fully implemented methods. But still we will make that class as what? Abstract class. Why? We don't want to create object for that adapter class. Understand? In the same way, while discussing advanced Java classes, we have HTTP servlet. Okay. For HTTP servlet has what? All the methods in that class has body. But even though we are declaring abstract, HTTP servlet class as what? Abstract class. Okay. Somehow we don't want to create object for that class. We will see, guys. Okay. In detail while discussing those topics, we will see. Okay. But here, let me explain you one scenario. Okay. Then you will clearly understand at what time we will go for abstract class which contains fully implemented methods. Okay. Now, okay. Let me take class vehicle. Understand? See, I'm taking class vehicle. So now class vehicle. See, in the class vehicle, let's suppose I have what? Public, okay, void steering. Okay, steering also one of the functionality is part of vehicle or not? Vehicle. I'm taking one vehicle class, guys. Fine. Now,
Yeah, fine.
Vehicle class, I'm having what? Steering. Steering also one of the feature of vehicle or not?
Yes.
Right? No. And see now. So here, okay, I don't know the implementation of the steering. Okay. So, some of the steerings as what? Power steering. Some of the steerings as what? Normal steerings like that, right? It's based on type. So now I'm creating what? Abstract. Let's assume. Okay. I don't know the implementation, right? Abstract. In the same way, here I'm creating what? Public abstract. See, public abstract void power windows. Power windows. This is one of the feature. Let's assume.
Yeah.
Okay. Power windows. And in the same way, okay, public abstract void, right? Get number of wheels. Get number of wheels. Okay. So now public void, okay, here abstract. I don't know the implementation, guys. Public abstract void, okay, get number of gates. Get number of gates. This is very important, guys. Okay, just see this. I'm giving one real-time example. Okay, when we will go for abstract class, if that class has fully implemented methods also. Okay, let me explain you. And one more thing, public abstract, public abstract void, public abstract void get CC. Okay, CC, guys. Fine. Now, tell me what are the other features, guys? Tell me anything apart from this. Steering, power windows.
Child lock, sir. Child lock.
Child locks, right? Child locks. Okay, child locks. Right. So now these are what? Public abstract what? Child locks. And so recently we have one more feature, guys. So what is that feature name? I forgot actually. Okay. So now public, okay, abstract, abstract reverse camera, right? Reverse camera. Something. Okay, these are the features. So these are what? Part of vehicle or not?
Yes.
These are part of vehicle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, these are part of vehicle. Next. So map screen. Okay, I think fine, guys. Okay, these many methods is fine. So these are what, guys? Vehicle features, right? So at vehicle level, don't know anything about this implementation. So that's what we have declared. We declare them as abstract. Okay, we declare them as what? Abstract methods, because these are the methods that don't know the implementation. So that's what we declare them as what? Abstract methods. If you declare abstract method means what? If any Java class contains at least one abstract method, we have to declare that class also what? Abstract class. Fine. Hello, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
now here what? I'm creating child class for this. Now I'm creating what? Scooter. See here. I'm creating what, guys? Scooter class. Scooter is a vehicle, right? Is a relationship, right? So that's why extends what? Vehicle. Fine. Now see. Now scooter is what, guys? Child class for vehicle. Now scooter class, what you have to do? Scooter class what has to do?
Number of
Tell me. Scooter class what has to do?
number of fields. Number of
Huh?
number of fields.
Scooter class what it has to do? It has to create. It has to provide implementation for all these abstract methods. Child class is responsible to provide implementation for all these abstract methods or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see how many methods it has? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 methods it has. Right? So now out of 7, how many methods are applicable for scooter, guys? Scooter is what? Two-wheeler. How many methods are applicable? Steering. Steering is applicable for scooter class?
No.
No, right? Power windows. Power windows is
Yes,
applicable
sir.
for scooter class?
No, sir.
No. Get number of wheels. It is applicable for scooter class, right?
Yes, sir.
No. Get number of gears. This is also applicable for scooter class.
Yes, sir.
Get CC. This is also applicable for scooter class. Now child locks. Child locks is applicable for scooter class?
No.
No,
No. Reverse camera is applicable for scooter class?
no,
No.
sir.
No. So now out of here, how many features we have? 3,
Three.
4, 5,
yeah.
6, 7. Out of 7, how many are applicable for scooter? Only
2.
3,
Please,
right? Only 2 or 3 are. Get number of wheels, get number of gears, get
2.
CC. These 3, right? Scooter also has some CC, right? 90 CC or
Okay.
80 CC
yes,
something.
yes.
So how many methods are applicable? 3 methods.
3.
Right? But here now if scooter is extending vehicle, right? So that's what unnecessarily in scooter class we have to provide implementation for what? All these 7 methods. Understand? Here what is the problem, you understand or not? Even
sir.
though, okay, so here we are extending vehicle class. Scooter is what? Extending vehicle class. So that's why unnecessarily we have to provide implementation for what? Remaining 4 methods, which are not at all suitable and which are not at all applicable for scooter class. Even though we have to provide implementation for all the above 7 methods. Otherwise, what will happen? Our scooter class will become what? Abstract class. If it is an abstract class means what? No use. Right? If it is abstract class means what? No use. No one will create object for your, scooter class. No one will use functionality of your super class. If no one will use functionality of super class, scooter class, what is the meaning of creation of class then? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Understand?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I'm writing. So unnecessarily we are providing implementation for all the methods which are available in where? In vehicle class. Right? Which are available in vehicle class. Right? Unnecessarily we are creating or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, In scooter class, okay, we need 3 methods out of 7. Okay. Otherwise, in scooter class, only 3 methods are applicable. Only 3 methods are applicable. Okay, out of 7 methods. Okay, but even though unnecessarily we are providing implementation for what? All the methods which are available in vehicle class. Okay, let me write this statement here. No, in scooter class, only 3 methods are applicable out of 7 methods, but unnecessarily, okay, but even though unnecessarily we are providing implementation for what? All the methods which are available in vehicle class. Clear? But here what is the problem? Definitely we are wasting time. We don't want, scooter class, okay, the remaining 7 methods are not at all applicable. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, right. So now, right? So now I'm creating what, guys? Class car. Okay, class car extends vehicle. Extends vehicle. Okay, now see what are the methods available in vehicle class? Steering. Steering can be applicable for car, right?
Yes,
Power
sir.
windows also
All the
applicable
time.
for car.
All
Get
are
number of
applicable.
wheels also
All
applicable
are-
for car. So all are applicable. You tell me one one functionality which is not applicable for car, which is applicable for two-wheeler. Tell me anything. Do we have anything, guys?
TC, sir.
Steering.
Awesome.
TC.
AC.
Which is applicable for car and not applicable.
Yeah, which are applicable for scooter, which are not applicable for car.
Engine CC, sir.
CC is common, right? For
CC.
car
Yeah,
also
CC
we
is
have
common.
CC.
Child lock,
And
sir.
Maybe I do child locks.
see here, I'm asking what.
Reverse.
So these are applicable for car. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Steering, power window, get number of wheels, get number of gears, CC, child locks, reverse camera. These are all applicable for car.
Yes.
I'm asking, please tell me one functionality which is not applicable for car and which is applicable for scooter or bike.
Okay.
Do we have any? Huh?
And sir.
Huh?
Number of
Stand.
wheels.
Stand.
Number of wheels only.
Number of wheels. See, number of wheels is common, right?
Both of it.
That is okay. I think stand. Right?
Kickstand, sir.
Huh?
Kickstand, sir.
Start.
Yeah, kicks. Kick. Yes,
Kick.
kick is correct. Right.
Good.
Okay. Let me take. It's good, guys. Abstract. What, guys? Kick. Okay. Something. Right. This is what, guys? Abstract. Now, see how many have we have? 8. Right. No, 8 methods. So now class car extends vehicle. So class car extends vehicle. So how many methods vehicle we have? 8 methods. All these 8 are what? Abstract methods. Now in car class, what we need to provide? We need to provide implementation for all these methods. But out of 8, how many are applicable for car? Only 7 methods. Understand? Now this kick method is not applicable for car, even though we need to provide implementation for this kick method. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So unnecessarily we are providing implementation for this kick method in class car in under car class, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the problem or not?
Yeah, problem.
So otherwise what will happen? Our car class will become what? Abstract class,
Thank you.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So that's what we see, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you are not providing implementation for abstract method, child class will become what? Again abstract class. If it is abstract class means what? No useful. For abstract class, we cannot create object. If you are not creating object means what is the use? What is the use of this class definition or class creation? Understand? If no one is using your functionality, then what is the use of creation of class? Okay?
Yeah,
Understand
okay.
what is the problem here? Okay. So no.
Yes.
Fine. So now to remove this, okay, to resolve this issue, what I am trying to say here, see, instead of abstract methods, I am providing implementation. I'm providing body, but see this body is empty body. Understand?
Yeah, okay.
See, I'm providing what? Empty body.
Everybody.
See, how can we solve this issue here? This is very, very important, guys. No one will tell you this one. See, now I'm removing what, guys? All the abstract. Just I'm providing what? Empty body. I'm providing what? Empty body. Now tell me, all these methods are, which type of methods now these are? Steering, power window, get number of wheels. We have these methods, right? Where we have?
Instance method.
Under vehicle class. Now you tell me, what type of methods these are? These are abstract methods or concrete methods?
Concrete method.
Huh? Concrete methods, right? These are not abstract methods now. Okay? These are no abstract methods, guys. These are not abstract methods now. These are what? Concrete methods. So these methods has what? Body. But what type of body it has? Empty body. Understand? But even though I want to make this class as what? Abstract. Why I need to make this class as abstract? Because if you create
no
object of this vehicle class, if you call steering method, what we will get? Empty body, right?
Empty. Yeah.
Understand? So suppose if you create object of this vehicle class, and by using that object reference, if you call steering method or power window or get number of wheels, so what you will get out of it? You will not get anything, because what? These methods are what? Empty implementation. Right? There is no code under these methods. Nothing will execute if you call that method. Nothing you will get if you call that method. Understand? So now, such type of classes, why we need to allow to create object for that such type of classes, right? If you allow to create object also, there is no use. So that's why we need to stop, okay, creation of object, such type of classes. How can we do? By using abstract keyword. Understand?
Yeah.
See now, this classes contains what? Fully concrete methods. But even though we are making such type of class as what? Abstract class. Why we are making such type of class abstract? Because all these methods has what? Not properly implemented. Understand? If methods are not properly implemented, so then we can declare such class as what? Abstract class. Hope you people clear on this. Right?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Okay. See here, class scooter extends vehicle. Now, see now. Here. Okay. So what I'm doing, No. So now, scooter class, how many methods are applicable, guys? Out of 8? Tell me, how many methods are applicable? Only 4 methods, right? Public, void, get number of wheels, get number of wheels. This is also applicable, right? So this method, I am providing implementation now, right? System, return, void, or else, okay, fine. System dot out dot println of, okay, here what I'm doing, to get number of wheels, something, right? I'm printing 2, okay?
No.
Now, see, get number of wheels. What are applicable here? Get number of
CC.
gears, get CC, kick, right? Now,
Yes.
here I'm providing implementation for what, guys? Next method. What is the next method? Public void get number of get number of gates, get number of gates. Okay, here I'm providing what implementation for this method. Let's suppose system.out.println something, get number of gates. How many gates has Scooter? 4 or 3? Huh?
4.
Okay, keep it 4 gates. Okay, 4 gates. Fine. So this one also completed. What else, guys?
CC.
Next method, public void get CC, right? Get CC. System.out.println of 90 CC. Okay. Next one. What is the other method? Kick method, right? Public void kick. Public void kick method. For this kick method, okay, system.out.println. Scooter will start by using kick. Fine. So now see here, do I need to provide implementation for remaining methods?
No.
Do I need to provide implementation for remaining methods, guys? How many
No
methods
need.
we have here?
Oh,
Vehicle
okay.
class, how many methods we have? 8
Eight.
methods.
8 methods.
Right. But these 8 methods are what? Concrete methods. If these are abstract methods, definitely child class, we have to provide all the abstract methods which are available in parent class. Otherwise, our child class will become what? Abstract class. For abstract class means what? There is no use. We cannot create object for that abstract class. Right?
Yes.
But now, these are the methods which are there in the vehicle class are abstract methods or concrete methods. Concrete methods. Okay, which doesn't have any implementation. Empty body only these methods has. Right? Now see here, for now, Scooter class, see, I can extend only 4 methods. These are the 4 methods are applicable for Scooter. Am I right or wrong? So now happily our Scooter class what? Non-abstract class. I can create object for our Scooter class. I can utilize the functionalities of Scooter class. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the same way, if you want, you can go for what? Car.
Car class.
Okay. Class car extends what? Vehicle.
Vehicle.
Okay.
Extends what, guys? Vehicle. Right? So now here, how many methods we can provide implementation? 7 methods.
3. 7 methods.
7 methods we can provide implementation. Okay. Here we will provide
7.
implementation for
7 methods.
7 methods. Okay. We no need to provide implementation for what? 1 method, which is not applicable for
Car.
not applicable for car. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Right. Now, see here this class car also what? Will become what, guys? Non-abstract. Right? So we can create object for this class car and we can utilize the functionality of this car class. Understand? So by using this approach, can we resolve the problem what we faced? I mean, what we discussed just before?
Yes, sir.
Object.
Okay. Right? So like that, okay, we can avoid implementing all the abstract methods which are available in super class case. Okay. So in the vehicle class, okay, what we need to do, we need to create empty implementation for all the methods. So these type of methods are what? Concrete methods. These are not abstract methods. We are providing what? Empty body. Okay. Now such type of class, we can make it as what, guys? Abstract class. Because what? If you create object for this class also, there is no use, right? If you call any methods also, you will not get anything because empty implementation. These methods has what? Empty body. So such type of methods we can declare as what, guys? Abstract. Okay. So this is what, guys, actually, okay. This is what,
Yes.
what do you call this? Design pattern. Okay. This is nothing but adapter class. Okay. We will see in after interface. But see, this is one of the what? Solution, guys. Design pattern. Design pattern means what? Okay. The problems, what we are facing, to solve that problem, okay, worldwide Java experts, they are providing some solutions. This is the solution. So just now we discussed, right, the problem, right? If you go for abstract class, the vehicle, if you go for vehicle class, so what we need to do, all these methods, steering and power windows, get number of wheels, get number of gears, okay, these methods don't know the implementation. At what level? Vehicle level. If you don't know the implementation, means what we need to declare? All these methods we need to declare as abstract methods, right? So now subclasses. Subclasses means what? They have to provide implementation for these abstract methods. If they are not providing implementation for this abstract methods, what will happen? The child classes also will become what? Abstract classes. Okay.
Yes.
If any class will become abstract class, means what will happen? We cannot create object for that abstract class. If you are not able to create object for the abstract class, then what is the use of creating that class?
Yes.
Right? If you're not able to use the functionality of that particular class, then what is the use of creating that class? Understand? So this is the problem. So if any class which is extending this vehicle class unnecessarily, okay, it has to provide implementation for what? All the abstract methods which are available in that particular parent class. Okay? Whether those abstract methods are useful or not useful in the child class, it has to provide implementation for all the abstract methods. Unnecessarily wasting of time. There is no use. Okay. Increasing code. So a lot of issues we are seeing here. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So this is the problem. So how to resolve this problem? Okay. To resolve that problem, we have what? One design pattern. Who provided the design pattern? Worldwide. Okay. Java experts. Okay. What is the design pattern? Okay. Adapter class. Just now we see, right? So this is called adapter class, guys. See now, instead of making all these methods as abstract methods, what I'm doing now here, I'm making all these methods as what? Concrete methods by providing empty implementation. Right? Still, I'm making this class as what? Abstract class. Because if you create object for this class also, there is no use. Okay. So that's what I'm keeping what? Abstract. Right? We just now discussed this point also, right? If any Java class which contains 0 abstract methods, such type of class also, if you want, you can make it what? Abstract. Okay. So when we will go for such type of scenario, see, like this. Understand? See this scenario, guys. In this scenario, we will create this class as what? Abstract. But even though this class doesn't have single abstract method. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now, if you make all these methods as concrete methods by providing empty implementation, now its child classes, they can override. They can provide implementation. What are the methods applicable? They don't need to provide all the, they don't need to provide implementation for all the methods. Understand?
Yes.
So by using this adapter class implementation, we can solve or not?
Yeah, solve.
Okay. So hope you people clear what is abstract method and what is abstract class. Any questions, guys?
Yeah, no question.
So like this only. So HTTP servlet, we just now discussed, right? In servlet, so we have a HTTP servlet class, guys. For HTTP servlet class also, we have 7 methods. Get method, post method, put method, delete method, head method, okay, trace method, like that. We have what? 7 methods. Okay. All these 7 methods, they provided as what, guys? Empty implementation. Okay. In the HTTP servlet class. So the child class, they has to provide implementation. In child
Yeah.
class, they don't want to use all these 7 methods, guys. Understand? So in child classes, if they want to use some child classes will use service method, some child classes will use do post method, some child classes will use do get method, like that. Okay? They don't want to use all these methods. So that's why we need to create all these methods as abstract. If they created abstract methods means what? Child classes has to provide implementation for all these methods. Right? Unnecessary time waste, right? Out of 7 methods, any child class will implement what? Only one method based on that child class, okay? That child class requirement. Okay? Now, if you create all these methods as empty implementation as a concrete methods, now in child class, they can implement only one method. Understand? They don't want to provide implementation for all the 7 methods unnecessarily. Okay? So hope you people clear on this.
Yeah, clear.
Okay? Fine, guys. So tomorrow we will see other topics.